Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody. So today we're going to do a little bit of pies, and I had a request for this. So as you can see in my pan, I have some real organic ghee and just a 1 tablespoon, and to that I have 2 bay leaves and 2 cardamom whole. Now these are optional. If you want, you can put it. If you don't want, you don't have to, but these will give some aroma to it. Now we're gonna roast it a little bit. We don't want to burn it. And then you can make either rice, like the basmati rice, or you can make this kind of called savoy. This is noodles. You can buy this is called savoy. This is for making pies. Okay, so we're gonna use that. So let me roast this one and then drop my savoy in there, and we're gonna have to roast the savoy a little bit till light color brown. Now make sure do not burn any of this or it won't taste good. So these are basically roasted, but I'm still gonna roast a little bit, and this is what it is called. This is called vermicelli, Vermicelli. So this is roasted vermicelli, and now I'm going to roast it a little bit just to give it a flavor. And some complain that you have to roast it a little bit more, but these you can see it's already brown. As you can see, my vermicelli is pretty much roasted. See, it's brownish, and we don't want to make it dark. And we're gonna add to it some milk. We're not gonna add too much, just enough to cover it. And we're gonna use whole milk because that's what makes it tasty. And to that, you're gonna add some raisins and a little bit of sugar, not a whole lot because I don't like too sugary. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll show you the final look. And after that, after we add everything, we're gonna have to boil it about 10-15 minutes, but be sure to check very frequently because you don't want to get stuck at the bottom. If it gets burned, then it won't be tasty. So as you can see, I have added my milk, whole milk, and some raisins, big raisins, and little bit of sugar, few big tablespoons, and some cardamom grounded, about 2 cardamom grounded. So I have added 2 big ones cardamom and 2 green ones grounded. Now I'm going to cook it in very low heat until this is all soft, but be sure to check it very often because you don't want to burn it. So here it is. This is the kheer, and this is made out with roasted vermicelli, milk, little bit of sugar, and some raisins, and some cardamom and grounded cardamom, and some bay leaves. So this tastes awesome, even looks really good. I'm gonna put it on a bowl and give you a picture. So this is very simple to make and takes very little time, about 10 to 15 minutes at the max. But the thing is, you cannot just let it cook and go sit somewhere. You have to stand with it so that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. Okay, so I hope you try someday, and I'm gonna give you a picture. It's gonna take some pictures.